Hi everyone, it's me Jane again. I'm back with my channel here again, getting ready to do a review on my Cook Unity meals. We're about to figure out what I'm going to eat. Before I go into that though, I wanted to mention that there's a couple different options when you're getting these meals from Cook Unity. So there's included meal kits that are included in a set price, and then there's also premium options that you can pay a bit of an upcharge for. So for my first time with Cook Unity and trying their service, I went ahead and I tried some of those premium options, or I selected some of those premium options because there was an initial discount. I thought it would be a good opportunity to try out some of those premium options. So I wanted to mention that some of these are premium and some are just standard with the plan. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items here that are standard, and then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 also, it looks like, that are premium. So for my standard items, I'll make sure to tell you this was just one of the standard items, or for one of the premium, I'll say this was a slight upcharge. It was usually around $6, but there were some that were like $10 more. And I noticed that if I wanted to purchase additional items, I could also add up to 4 additional meals on my plan. And that would be, for the premium options, the upcharge plus the regular price of the entree. So that was something I noticed. All right, so first of all, let's take a look at my standard options that were not a upcharge. So first of all, I got this pork and shrimp wonton soup. One little serving there. Spicy ground pork noodles. Stir-fried ramen with bulgogi beef. Mongolian beef, meatballs, and gyro plate with Greek salad, barbecue pork shoulder, and barbecue chicken, and Asian style barbecue pork. So those sound like there's some really good meaty options. I am really a big carnivore, not like on the carnivore plan, but I cannot survive without eating protein because I burn so much energy. I really need to keep my muscles strong with all that I do. So I feel encouraged that even with the standard plan, there would be enough things to feed myself well. But some of the things that I paid more for were things that featured short rib, because I really like short ribs and I really like beef a lot specifically. I did try, looks like 1, 2, 3 different types of short rib, a pot roast, a short rib mac and cheese, and a bourbon strip steak. So those are some of the more expensive options. It's kind of like you kind of have to pay more for beef. I've noticed that the salmon's more expensive. I haven't gone into the fish, as tempting as it is, because I don't have a baking facility here yet. So I am microwave only, or just eat right from the fridge. So we'll see how I do. Tune in next time when I actually eat something. I can hardly wait.